Hi, I'm Daniel and I'm a designer here at AM Conservation Group. We've partnered with Idaho Power to deliver these incredible energy saving kits to businesses across Idaho Power's territory. The best part about this kit program is each kit is designed with a different business in mind. We have kits for restaurants, office spaces, and even retail spaces. Now each kit is filled with different products, so if you own all three businesses, then you will be lucky enough that you can get all three of these kits. The best part though is that each one is free to Idaho Power's customers, and nothing really gets better than that. Since half of my paycheck goes to eating out at restaurants, we're going to take a look at what's inside the restaurant kit today. First up in the kit is the Quick Start Guide. Now this is a great place to start if you want to save money on your monthly utility bill, but could also learn a little bit more about energy savings. It's basically an A to Z guide of everything that's in the kit. But if you want to take it a step forward, read up on the energy saving tips. Up next are our three 9-watt dimmable LED light bulbs. So you can replace your old light bulbs with these new LEDs. Now what's great about LEDs is that they not only save energy and money, but they also last nearly forever. Maybe the coolest thing in this kit is the pre-rinse spray valve. Now we all know restaurants generate some serious dishes, and this will not only save you money and water, but it will help you clean those dishes. It's a win-win, right? Up next are two Faucet Aerators for your restroom, so you can replace those old water guzzling ones that are already in there. And you guessed it, these bad boys will save you not only water, but also energy and money. So the next time one of your customers decides they want to take a bath in your sink, you don't even have to worry about what that means for your water bill. Also in the kit are two Faucet Aerators for your kitchen sinks. Now these are pressure compensated, which means you'll get great water pressure no matter what's already existing. And it's a push-pull aerator, which means there's two separate sprays. You have one full force spray and then one splash-free bubble spray, and I think it will be a great addition to any kitchen. Last but not least are two LED retrofits for your exit signs. And now by law, you're legally supposed to have these, so why not go ahead and make them more energy efficient? Want to order your own energy saving kit? Well, if you're an Idaho Power customer, just visit their website for more information. I love these new energy saving kits for businesses, and I know you will too.